Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up Digistore24 Payout account with Payoneer. If you're selling digital products or promoting offers as an affiliate, getting paid is one of the most important parts of using a platform like Digistore24. Digistore24 allows you to receive payouts through different payment methods, and one of the convenient ways to receive international payments is through Payoneer. To begin, open your browser and log into your account on Digistore24. Once you sign in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where you can manage products, affiliate links, analytics, and account settings. From the dashboard, navigate to the Settings section. Inside this area, you'll find different settings related to your profile, payment information, and payout preferences. Look for the Payout Account or Payment Settings section because this is where Digistore24 allows you to configure how you want to receive your earnings. When you open the Payout Settings page, Digistore24 will display several payout methods. Here, you can insert your payout per month, the payout threshold, as well as the payout method. These may include options like bank transfer, PayPal, or other international payment providers, depending on your region. To connect Payoneer, you'll need to select the option that allows you to receive payouts via bank transfer, since Payoneer provides virtual receiving bank accounts. Next, open another tab and log into your account on Payoneer. Once you're inside your Payoneer dashboard, go to the Receive section. Here, you will find your global payment service details. This page shows your receiving bank account information, which can include details such as bank name, account number, routing number, currency account information. Payoneer provides these details so you can receive international payments as if you had a local bank account. After locating these details, return to the Payout Settings page in Digistore24. Enter the receiving bank information from Payoneer into the required fields. This usually includes the bank account number, routing number or SWIFT details, and the account holder name. Make sure that the information matches exactly with your Payoneer account details to avoid payment delays or rejected transfers. Once you finish entering the information, save your payout settings. Digistore24 may perform a verification step to confirm that the payment details are valid before enabling payouts. After the payment method is successfully configured, all future earnings from sales or affiliate commissions on Digistore24 will be sent to your linked Payoneer receiving account according to the platform's payout schedule. From there, you can manage your funds inside Payoneer. You can withdraw the money to your local bank account, convert currencies, or use a Payoneer card if your account includes one. Using Payoneer with Digistore24 is helpful for many international sellers and affiliates because it allows you to receive payments globally without needing a traditional bank account in the same country as the marketplace. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.